Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here, you click here on privacy center. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to view profiles privately here, just click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to next here. You just switch into open video. Then before that you have to get premium here. Then automatically it's going to enable video here on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.